Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the ATTDX VeinGuard Herbal Spray, which claims it can magically delete your varicose veins in just 7 days using something called micro-mist technology. Honestly, that sounds less like a medical treatment and more like a fancy way to describe a spray bottle from the dollar store. They promise visible results in as little as 48 hours. But before you start planning your shorts debut, let's see if this is actually legit or just another internet fairy tale. First off, let's talk about their happy customers. The company claims over 150,000 people in the US are thrilled with their results, yet somehow, none of these people have left a verified review anywhere. Over on Trustpilot, they're sitting at a dismal 1.9 stars from a whopping 17 reviews. Apparently, the only thing this product is truly consistent at is providing terrible customer service and shipping out items that are much smaller than advertised. 150,000 happy users? Maybe they all live in the same imaginary city where this spray actually works. Then we have the before and after photos, which are about as authentic as a $3 bill. A quick search shows these images were shamelessly lifted from other websites, which is a massive red flag. If your product is so revolutionary, maybe try using a camera on a real person instead of hitting copy-paste on Google Images. To make matters worse, their supposed FDA certification is a blurry mess that's impossible to read. Usually, when people hide behind a blur, it's because they're on a witness protection program or they're lying through their teeth. The company also loves throwing around impressive-sounding numbers, like a 99% success rate and a 92% reduction in vein bulging. Of course, there are zero clinical trials, peer-reviewed studies, or third-party validations to back any of this up. It's just math for the sake of marketing. To sweeten the deal, they offer massive discounts like 25% off if you buy 2. Because nothing screams medical breakthrough quite like a limited-time clearance sale designed to lure you in before you realize you've been ghosted. The final verdict? ATTDX VeinGuard Herbal Spray is basically a parade of red flags wrapped in a Buy Now button. Between the stolen photos, the total lack of real reviews, and the sketchy certifications, it's safe to say your money is better spent elsewhere. If you're actually looking for relief, stick to transparent brands that don't rely on Photoshop and blurry JPGs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this reality check, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more. Catch you next time.